This is day 26, and mother hen is doing well. These cocks and hens are bad-minded and they will fight the chicks. I thought the hen and the chicks were alone. Did not see this cock in the vicinity, and he has taken over. He has taken over. So I'm attempting to feed them at another location. As you see, she still has maintained her 5 chicks, which is beautiful. The bigger they get, wonderful. They will be much more able to fight off predators on their own. I see that they're utilizing their wings and things like that. So I guess any minute now, they would no longer sleep on the ground, but she will attempt to show them how to go into the trees and sleep and things like that. They just became spooked again. I don't know what's the problem.